Good evening, everyone. It's your baby boomer, Kitty Lane from the Peninsula in Virginia. You should now have questions 1 through 5. I am here to bring you clue question number 6. But I can tell you, to please forgive me, first of all, for the background noise you hear. I don't know what they're looking at on TV, but the TV is loud. Both my grandbabies are out there in the living room. And they tend to get a little loud, so you might hear them in the background. So please, please, please forgive the background noise. Now, question number 6 is so simple. So simple. I mean, I shouted it from the rooftops. And it's very simply, how old am I? Yes, that simple. I put it out there just like that. Once again, I would like to thank all of my subscribers. I do encourage you to hit the like button when you come in. And when you see that notification bell, please hit the one with the dimples so that you'll always know when I'm dropping fresh content. I am extremely busy with the crocheting. As of course you probably know by now that my daughter told me, pretty much dared me to get stuff done. And that's what I've been working on. I have also been catching up on my sleep. I don't think I mentally realized how much my body had missed the rest. So I am getting my rest. I'm in the process also of taking care of a sick grandson with a viral infection. They gave him amoxicillin, and to him it tastes like bubblegum. And so he's reminding me every hour on the hour that he needs his meds, even though he's only to take it twice a day. And I have to keep explaining to him, baby, no, we're not going to over-medicate you. You're going to be fine. So, yeah. A day in the life of, right? So, like I said, I've been very, very, very busy. I am trying to get these things out now so that you'll have what you need. And I'm looking at the dates of everything. Trust me, you're going to have plenty of time. That's not even an issue. But I put that I would have the drawing one day, and you had a week to... I want your answers submitted by the 23rd, by midnight of the 23rd. And you have until, I want your answers submitted by that time. I will take 5 days from the 23rd to the 28th to gather the names, because I'm going to be writing names down on popsicle sticks. So I have to go through all the comments under this. I will only choose the comments under the specified video. Then I have to go through, make sure everybody has at least 5 correct answers, count all of their correct answers, write their names on the number of popsicle sticks per entry. And so that's going to take me some time. That's why I'm taking that 5 days to do that. I will announce the winner on the 28th. So on the 28th of December, the winner will be announced. You have until midnight Eastern Standard Time of the 30th to confirm or acknowledge, I should say, that yes. Y'all, it's been one of those days. But you understand what I'm saying. So the key dates to remember are the 23rd, 28th, and 30th. 23rd entries have to be in by midnight Eastern Standard Time. Boom, that's it. Okay. I will open that up right away. Anything entered after midnight is not going to be counted. Okay? So I will take from the 24th to the 28th, which is 5 days, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, to tally everything, write out the names on the popsicle sticks, and put them into the drawing container. On the 28th, we will shake the box. I have not decided whether I'm just doing a video or whether we're going live. But at any rate, on the 28th, everything will go into the box. And my granddaughter will shake up the box. And my grandson will reach in and draw a name. And I will announce that winner. You have until the 30th of December, midnight Eastern Standard Time, to acknowledge that you are the winner. At which point, you will acknowledge me by email. My email is listed in the description box. I will then send you an email giving you instructions of how and where to send me your information so that I can send you your prize the first week in January. I have a reason for doing it that way, and that reason, I don't mind telling you, is because of scammers. Sometimes they've gotten smart, y'all, and sometimes when you send your information in, they're nabbing it. We're getting spam email. We're getting spam mail in our mailboxes. We're getting, winners. I got something one time that was so bizarre, and I just immediately turned it back over to the postal worker. But send it to me. It's going to be a 3-step process. You're going to let me know you're the winner. I'm going to let you know that I got your email, and then let you know what you need to send to me so that I can get it to you. Okay? All right. And with that being said, love yourself. Because that is the greatest love of all. You can't love others the way they deserve to be loved unless you first love yourself the way you deserve to be loved. And then all of that, know that I love you. And that's real. Okay? So until we see each other again, guys, peace out.